Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reproducing the problem reliably. That clarity saves hours. Run the failing scenario and strip it to the smallest example that still fails, and make sure tests exercise that path. Next, enable verbose logging and capture the full stack trace so you know where execution diverges. Finally, set a breakpoint or launch PDB to inspect variables at the failure point. This shows how state differs from your expectations and points to the first fix. Once you have a breakpoint and trace logs, follow the data flow through each function and validate types, ranges, and return values. Mismatched types or none values are common culprits. Make sure your dependencies and Python versions match the environment where tests pass, and confirm API contracts between modules. While you probe, add focused unit tests and inline assertions to codify expectations. These tests both expose hidden assumptions and prevent regressions as you change code. You now implement the smallest clear change that addresses the root cause and document why the change is correct. Run the entire test suite, linters, and any performance checks to ensure no collateral damage. If something fails, revert and refine the patch. Once green, add or expand unit tests to cover the bug scenario so it stays fixed. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent issues persist, reproduce under a controlled environment and bisect commits to isolate the introduction point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.